What is HTML? HTML hypertext markup language is the standard language for creating web pages and applications. HTML is used to create web pages. You can use HTML to add images, links, and other types of content to your web page. HTML is a simple programming language. You don't need to know much about it to create a basic web page. Images and other objects, such as interactive forms, can be embedded within the produced page using HTML structures. It enables the creation of structured documents by indicating structural semantics for text elements, including as headings, paragraphs, lists, links, quotations, and other objects. HTML elements are delineated by tags, which are written in angle brackets. Benefits of HTML. Benefits of using HTML include creating well-structured, standards-compliant web pages that are easy to maintain and update. HTML is also easy to learn and is a great starting point for those new to web development. HTML is used to structure and present content on the web and is typically used alongside CSS and JavaScript. Additionally, HTML5 provides better multimedia and interactive content support, making it a powerful tool for creating engaging web experiences. HTML5 is the latest version and includes new features like video and audio elements, local storage, and 2D/3D graphics. HTML5 is designed to be more user-friendly and efficient than previous versions of HTML. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.